This is Ken from Jazz Time. Jazz Time is an online watch store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we'd appreciate if you buy one of our watches once in a while. So today we're going to be talking about the Rolex Datejust 28, reference 279178. Has a president bracelet, a cornflower blue diamond dial, and a fluted bezel. We're going to go through each part of this watch and talk about it, starting with the case, dial, bezel, and bracelet. So this dial configuration you see is very unique. They make this dial configuration where you see the hour markers are fashioned in 18 karat gold with pave diamonds in 3 different colors: blue, purple, and green. It's quite different from what Rolex traditionally makes, which makes this watch very unique and very special. So who knows how long they'll be making these unique colors, because they didn't make these colors in the past. So what makes this dial a bit unique? Well, first of all, as you see the color, light blue is not a color that they typically have these watches in, but for precious metals such as this one, they're doing that. And what else you'll notice is the hour markers are actually diamonds. They look like sticks or indexes. They don't glow, but they do sparkle because they have actually 4 diamonds in each hour marker. If it's hard to see from this video, you can also just look at the pictures to your left or on our product page, and you can see. You can blow up the picture so it's big and you can see that. Those hands are also made of 18 karat gold. So moving on to the case. The case uses the oyster case, and this is the 279178. This replaced the 179178, which used to be 26 millimeters with a 28 millimeter. And 28 millimeter meaning the distance between my thumb and my index finger, which is 28 millimeters. That's the diameter going from one side to the other. That 28 millimeters, that 2 millimeters is actually 10%, so it does make a difference. And I brought another similar watch in 31 millimeter, because some people often wonder what the comparison between a 31 and a 28 is. So on the right here, where my thumb is pointing, this is a 31 millimeter. And this is also available on jazztime.com under reference 178240. And this one on the left is the 28 millimeter. Now I don't have a 26 to compare it, but they don't make 26 anyways. So 28 is basically what Rolex thinks is the latest and greatest. One of the differences you'll see here is that these lugs actually became a little bit thinner. I don't have one to compare it to, but trust me, the lugs have become a little bit thinner. Okay, so moving on. Oh yeah, I should also say, since we're talking about the case, all right, the case houses a 2236 movement, and if you can see this, the case here, on the gold one you have these engravings here on each of the lugs. You can probably take a look at that closer on our website. And the movement, the 2236, has a precision of plus minus 2 seconds a day. It's actually a step up from what it was before, and now has a 55-hour power reserve, meaning you could put it down on Friday and pick it up on Sunday and it would still work. Okay, well, moving on to the bezel. This bezel is a fluted yellow gold bezel in 18 karat. They also make it in diamond and also in domed. But the fluted, which has these little serrated edges, this is probably the most recognizable, in my opinion, probably the best. Okay, and then now moving on to the bracelet. The bracelet is a beautiful president bracelet, and it actually has 3 links across, as in you see this 3 pieces across. This first half, which is the top half, which is brushed gold, the center, which is high polish, that would be the center piece, and the outside again, which is the same as the top, is brushed. So it's a very beautiful president bracelet. Has a new style clasp, and have, of course, the right engravings, and just looks really nice. Okay, and it simply closes like this. You fold one end, and by the way, it's called a concealed crown clasp. That means when you close it, you actually can't tell that there's a buckle. It's a beautiful design. So it looks like one piece. The whole bracelet looks actually like one piece. You can't tell, except for where the logo is. And conveniently, you have the logo. If you pull on it, it opens the bracelet. Okay, so that would be it. That is the Rolex Datejust 28 in blue, and I'll try to put it on my wrist for you, so you can look. See, I'm actually a man, but this is for a woman's watch. I don't have a woman here to wear it, but and there you go. That's the Rolex Ladies Datejust 28 in Cornflower Blue 279178. If you like this video, click on the subscribe, see other videos, check out our website for the lowest price anywhere online. We appreciate if you buy a watch from us. Jazztime.com, JAZTIME.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazztime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.